Okay, in topic 6-2, we're going to learn how to estimate decimals with quotients, which is pretty much the same as estimating quotients like you did in topic 5. You have to use compatible numbers. So go ahead and push pause and write these 3 problems down, and then we'll go from there. Oops. All right. So this is your divisor. That's the outside number in long division. And this is the dividend. Now, what are you going to estimate this to make it compatible with this? Personally, I would make this 1, and I would divide it by 7. What's 7 divided by 1? 7. Circle your answer. Okay, let's go down to this one. Push pause, and you try to estimate the decimals. Okay, now 6 87/100ths, I would estimate to 7. And then look at these two, the first 2 numbers, 45, and ask yourself, can 7 go into 45 evenly? No. So what are you going to estimate 45 and 64/100ths to that is close to 45? Well, I would if you do 7, if you do 49, 7 times 7 is 49, that's 4 away. But if you do 7 times 6, that's 42, that's only 3 away. So let's do that. So 42 divided by 6, or 7, will give you the quotient 6. Is that what you got? If you got 49 and you divided by 7, that means you would have got 7, which is still pretty good. So if you got either one of those, I'll just write it down here. 49, at least you got a compatible number, and that equals 7. That's really good if you got either one. Great job.
Oh, what are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Oh, stop! I'm going to see the Dragon Warrior. But I don't understand. You finally had the noodle dream.
I lied. I don't dream about noodles, Dad.
I love Kung Fu!
Now, go ahead and try to pause this and see what you come with the estimation. You have 17 7/10 divided by 3 2/10. Well, estimate your divisor first. And now, what are you going to change 17 7/10 to that would make it compatible with 3? So look at the first 2 digits, that's 17. Well, 3 can go into 18, so there it is. Write 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. There's your estimated quotient. If you got that, awesome!
Oh, what are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Oh, stop! I'm going to see the Dragon Warrior. But I don't understand. You finally had the noodle dream.
I lied. I don't dream about noodles, Dad.
I love Kung Fu!
All right, this is a bigger number. Go ahead and pause it and see what you come up with. Okay, so I'm going to look at the divisor again. 79 4/10, I'm going to estimate it to 80. Okay. Now, I'm going to look at 8 and 8, 82 out of the 821 and 22 hundredths. What can I change 82 to make 8 compatible with it? Well, I say make it 80. And then don't forget the ones place, so it's 800. Cross out the zeros. 80 divided by 8 is 10. So my estimated quotient is 10. If you got that one, awesome job.
Paul! What are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Oh, stop! Stop! I'm going to see the Dragon Warrior!
But I don't understand. You finally had the noodle dream.
I lied. I don't dream about noodles, Dad.
I love Kung Fu!
All right, let's look at 91 and 2 hundredths divided by 4 and 9 tenths. Go ahead and stop and estimate it. All right, so I'm going to make this 4 and 9 tenths. I'm going to estimate it to 5. And I'm going to say, well, 5 can't go into 91, but 5 can go into 90, and 5 can go into 95. Which one's closer to 91? That would be 90. All right, so what is 90 divided by 5? Well, 5 goes into 9 one time with 4 left over. Now 5 can go into 48 times, so my estimated quotient is 18. If you got that, awesome!
Paul! What are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Oh, stop! Stop! I'm going to see the Dragon Warrior!
But I don't understand. You finally had the noodle dream.
I lied. I don't dream about noodles, Dad.
I love Kung Fu!
All right, let's look at the last number problem. 156 and 3 tenths divided by 14 and 5 tenths. Go ahead and pause it and estimate it. All right, so I am going to do the divisor first. I'm going to estimate that up to 15. Well, look at that. It's already 15. So I'm going to estimate it to 150. And 15 goes into 15 one whole time, and don't forget about that 0. So my estimated quotient is 10. Did you get that? Awesome! So that's all you have to do with your homework, is just estimate the divisor first, and then find a compatible number that you can estimate the decimal number to, the whole number with a decimal to make it compatible with your divisor. All right, I'll see you tomorrow at school. Bye.
Paul! What are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Oh, stop! Stop! I'm going to see the Dragon Warrior!
But I don't understand. You finally had the noodle dream.
I lied. I don't dream about noodles, Dad.